All right, my name is Royce Madamba. I'm with Next Gen Roofing. We're looking to do this repairability test for nationwide member Carolyn Iyengar. Claim number is going to be 7202 Delta Quebec 002102. These are the tools I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a roof snake, hammer, and some nails, and also a brand new architectural shingle. This is the space we're going to be working in. This is the shingle we'll be working on to replace. Shingle above it appears to be fastened, and we'll get to work. First thing we're going to do is break the adhesion strip. Bottom course, try not to affect the top shingle. Alright, shingle will not remove. We need to go through and remove the staple fastener here. You can see that we're starting to cause uplift on the surrounding shingles. Break the staple. I think we've got it. Got the staples removed. Now I need to break the adhesion strip. Shingle above it. Shingle still won't come out. So we need to take out this next row of staples. Shingle's still not coming out. As you can see, attempting to remove the staples here as they're set caused some tearing, and also caused the above shingles to become delaminated, and also pop the other staples in the next course above, as you can see there. Place. I'm going to try and minimize the amount of uplift on the shingles above. You need 6 fasteners here. See that conducting this repair causes damage to the shingle above and also the surrounding shingles as well. And also creasing and loss of granules across the folded section. Thank you.